Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device, and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button. Then you need to make sure you're logged in your account, and then at the top right click on the three lines button. Then you will see this list of options. You need to scroll down and find hide story and live option, and then hide story and live from, and then you need to select all your followers like this, and then at the top right click on the done button. Then you need to go back to your profile and then click on your profile image button to post a story, then choose add to your story, and then you need to choose photo you want to post to your highlight, for example this one. Then at the bottom right click on the white arrow button, then share, and then click on the first one option, add to highlights, and then you need to type a name, a topic of your highlight, for example new highlight, and then click on the add button, and then done button at the bottom of your screen. Here it is, and then as you can see now I have my new highlight. People will see this highlight, and I have a story, but people won't be able to see my story. But after that, after posting a highlight, you need to go back to your settings. So click on the three lines button, then open hide story and live again, hide story and live from, and then you need to deselect all your followers. So, and then people will see your future stories. So, and that's all. And that's how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.